Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:50 p.m., January 27th, 2021, Wednesday, hump day. Another wild day. I don't know what to tell you. A lot of people made a ton of money, I think, and a lot of people lost a ton of money, and it just was not my day again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Well, I started trading AMC in the pre-market. I had the FOMO going, waking up to GME up 350 or something like that. Seeing Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, and everything else. So these crappy stocks just making these crazy moves. And I wasn't able to take advantage of them, and it caused me some FOMO, and then like everyone else, platform issues out of the gate, and I missed the original Bed Bath & Beyond move through here, through 45, I think it was. It ripped up to 53, and it was just unfortunate because that's the one I really liked. In my platform, I had no charts. My data feed was wrong. Everyone had the same situation going. Not everyone, because people were making money in it, so I don't understand what exactly happened. But it was definitely a frustrating moment, and it definitely set my day. It set the tone. I was down $200-300 in the. I'm about to trade this out of this Apple trade. I took an after-hours trade on Apple, small. About to get out of here. I have only like 20 shares left, so I'll just probably bang out here. Yeah, if I can.
Order filled.
Yeah, just banged out of those shares. Actually down on Apple. I tried getting in on an earlier trade on the aftermarkets and just fizzled. It just fizzled. And then, I was all over the place. And then I had to go deal with my car during the lunchtime. So I was dealing with my car from 12 to I didn't get back till 3. I jump in, come back, and I jump into Bed Bath & Beyond, and it gets smoked. Jump in and again get smoked. Miss the next one, which cranked. So I'm not going to go through all the details today. I think we all know that the markets are in a point where it's almost unfortunate that it's going to end this way. Are they going to come up with this regulation that's going to stop us from day trading going forward? I don't think so. I don't want to think like that, but things are going to get put on hold in some aspects. And I think stocks like Apple and Facebook and Microsoft and AMD and all those guys are going to get more love should that start again. But, you've read all the stories. I'm not going to discuss it. I don't think it's worth discussing. I think it's very exhausting to watch these stocks. It's exciting, but it's so exhausting to watch a stock go to 350, 380, drop down to 300, and then back to 350 in no time. I was down today $300, which, I got I was break even when I left for lunch. I was down 300 before when I had to take my car in. And then I got a workhorse trade, which was actually a natural trade I took, was selling that all too soon, and decided, unfortunately, I sold it all. It went up another $1, but I was in for 500 shares, and I was just selling way too soon in this market, just making mistakes. And then I'm hearing I'm in a group of people, and I'm hearing them doing well, and I'm not FOMO with them. I'm really happy for them. I want everyone to do well. That's not the point. But when you're struggling with some of these stupid stocks, I don't like this. I don't like this. I like my setups in a not normal, but in a manic kind of market, but not like this, not short squeezes and all the conversations and people talking about these people and these talking about these people, whatever. I'm just trying to focus on my setups, and there were no setups today that I really liked. There were some, but again, with the platform issues this morning and missing Beyond. I guess I can discuss Beyond because, of course, Apple's back up. I was expecting that. Now it's going to go to highs off the aftermarkets. I did take a trade on Beyond, but it was the 200. This is right. I was sitting at the Honda dealership when these candles were going on. I'm like, don't hit 200, don't hit 200, don't hit 200, please don't hit 200. I just loved 200 so much on Beyond. If I go to a smaller chart, It's a little small here. We'll see if we go over here. It had come up to 200 right here, touched it, just the ideal spot for 200, and no pain, ripped to 203.44. Probably would have set my day in the afternoon. I was going to go in with 300 shares. I already said that because Beyond's moving really quick, and spreads are 50 cents. So 300 is about $1.50 risk. I would say $1 risk on that. So it was about $300 risk on the trade, and it just ripped to 203.44 in a 5-minute candle here. I probably wouldn't have gotten $900 out of that trade, but I probably would have gotten like $400 or $500 out of the trade if I had to guess, because it was up a point within no time. Because I watched it on my phone. I was watching Tradestation on my phone, which I really rarely ever do because I'm logged into my computer. My computer did not crash today, which is good, but I wasn't here during the time it's crashed in the last 2 days. So again, I was down today, and tomorrow's another day. I'm not really upset about the losses today because they could have been way worse. But I got into like the gambling mode of trading, and I hate that. That's not what I'm about. And I know people have made a ton of money, and they're not. They also know that this doesn't last forever, this type of trading, and they're going to go back to the normal trading style. They just got fortunate to get into a couple trades that really worked. They pressed the button, and I was pressing the button after the pressing the button should have worked. You know what I mean? So unfortunately, I was down on the day, but I'm not down on myself. It's just a crazy market, and anytime you see financial markets act crazy like this, some kind of change comes into effect that affects traders, affects the markets, affects everyone, the economy, really. We're seeing a nasty day. The NQs are down 412, ES down 107. So, we're seeing, Tesla reported, Facebook reported, and Apple reported, but no one cares. They're pretty much flat. They're down. Tesla took a hit. I shouldn't say they're flat. But it's not like that's the focus right now. The focus is on these stupid stocks that are getting short squeezed, transfer of wealth conversations, and, just my theory. And I don't focus on that type of stuff. I look for trade setups, but, it's... I think I said enough. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. And let me know how you guys did today. Just be careful out there. I got a little greedy with it. I got stupid, and I don't plan on doing that tomorrow. I learned my lesson today, and we'll see you then.